You're broke, and I know you are. If you weren't, you wouldn't have clicked this video. But now that we're on the same page, I'm gonna tell you why you're broke. But first, let me tell you a story. So, there was a kid named Bob. What? What do you mean Bob is a weird name for a kid? Okay, fine, we'll call him Brandon. Is that... What? What do you mean his name should be more ambiguous? What does that even mean? What? Okay. Beverly? Okay, whatever. Whatever, his name is Beverly. Whatever, just stop talking. Let me tell the story. Jeez. Beverly. The name is irrelevant. Jeez. Okay, so Beverly always wanted to be rich when he grew up. So Beverly went on to school, studied hard, went on to get a great career with a local company where he became a great asset, garnering all of the attention from the title holders of said company, getting all of the awards and promotions available to him. But at a certain point, Beverly realized there were no millions in his future here at this company. So he thought to himself, what can I do to improve this? And just like that, Beverly discovers the wondrous world of YouTube University. Beverly begins his journey of discovering potential self-generated income sources, and he's inundated with a plethora of options, an overwhelming amount even. But in his journey to crack the code of financial freedom, he watches every instructional, educational, or even theoretical suggestion he comes across, only to find himself becoming knowledgeable in a variety of industries with nothing to show for it. He has a false assumption that each market is oversaturated with others far ahead of him in their pursuits of success in their respective fields. Thus begins a grueling cycle of discovery turned into interest, followed by submersion, which creates a shining glimmer of hopefulness for success, to a period of doubt, ultimately ending with a tragic abandonment of the topic. And this is why you're broke. You keep learning more ways to make money, but you haven't actually tried to make money. Let me make an analogy, right? So a key is only useful if you use it. Hold on, stay with me, stay. I know that sounds so crazy. I know it sounds so odd, but I'm gonna say it again for the people in the back. A key is only useful when you use it. The more you know. For example, you might have a killer idea for a screen printing business and you still haven't bought that screen press yet. Or perhaps you have a 100% guaranteed working super secret affiliate marketing strategy that no one else knows, and yet you haven't become an affiliate of anything yet. Shit, you might know a crazy bank fraud scheme, or hey, even better, an amazing crack recipe. Alright, scrap that last one. I don't want y'all getting no ideas. But if you do decide to go that route, add a little bit of salt. Gordon Ramsay approves. Anyway, I don't want you guys to think I'm attacking you for not having $1 million yet. Because honestly, I'm not. I'm really just projecting at this point. I'm broke too. Look, I'm just saying, at the end of the day, moral of the story is, blame other people for your problems. It'll make you feel better. And y'all know Lil Baby is 4PF. As you see, I'm 4PE, 4 pockets empty, and 4PE physical education. Put a little bit of work in, get a little bit of something out of you. You know, that's all, just like that easy. So, man, it's just shaky as hell, boy. You're broke.